Hello, Deepika. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also doing well. Little lethargic. I don't know today what is happening. Yeah, that's how it's going on.
Happens. Sometimes you feel low.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, these days I'm having a little low. Uh, I don't know why. I feel all time sleepy.
Yeah, sometimes weather when changed, then feel like that. Sometimes feel low, sometimes feel energetic.
Yeah, due to the weather, I guess I'm also feeling low these days. And even I was sleeping. Now I was sleeping before 10 minutes, and I was lying down and I started dreaming that I got late and Deepika is waiting for session. So I abruptly got up and I washed my face and drank one glass of water and I came. So this happening with me these days.
But I think you are getting late for school. You mentioned in your messages.
Yeah, around 1 o'clock I go to pick my son from school. So that is why I
Okay,
told you to join quite early. But it's okay. We can have session around 25 minutes.
sure.
Yeah.
So
How
tell
day is
me,
being going? Uh, I'm just want to know how is going on your day. How day is being going.
my day is, little bit hectic because since for few days I'm not feeling good. I'm also, you can say, I'm feeling low. So, but now
Okay.
I'm feeling better. But after that, I feel some kind of weakness.
I don't know why many people are complaining the same things. Even I also told many people that I'm having this kind of issue these days. I'm having low. So what happened, usually with me, if I watch lots of mobile or if I stay in front of a screen for a long time, then I feel low and my sleep doesn't complete. At night also, some or the other dream comes and sleepy doesn't complete of mine. So that is the reason
Maybe,
also.
yeah,
Yes.
you are right. It's due to, screen time, I think.
Yeah,
When
due
you
to a
use.
screen time. Mm-hmm. So
So tell
yes.
me about yourself. We can start with the
Yeah,
introduction,
yeah,
little bit
yeah,
introduction.
sure. Okay, so my name is Susmita. I am from Assam, currently based in UP, holding Master and PGDCA. I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Squads. It's been 1 year that I have been uploading videos over YouTube. And if I talk about my core of interests, I like play badminton, cooking, reading, and talking to people. Yeah, that's pretty about myself. Thank you. So, okay, Deepika, tell me about your English learning journey because your English is quite good. That you're fearing that my English is not good, but I think your English is quite impressive. So, how did you work upon yourself?
Okay. Actually, I want to say one thing. It's my I think fourth video call. So I'm new in
Okay,
this field. I'm just learning. So that's why I'm afraid of like that. Okay. By the way, I'm started my journey. If come to my spoken 4 months ago, actually.
okay.
Yeah.
So, how were
Um,
you doing practice?
Okay, actually, in the starting earlier, I used to mirror technique, self talk, and sometime I put up the question, lot of questions myself, like what is this and what is that? How to describe this weather? How to describe this process? What I'm doing, like I'm doing cooking. So how to describe this thing like that? After that, I'm trying to record myself like a video audio like some after some time I used to video. Okay.
Okay,
Then after some time I realized it's not enough for you. You always talk to yourself. I think it's enough. You need to connect with someone. Okay. But at
okay,
that time I was considering myself introvert. Okay. So I feel hesitation at that time. Then I prefer to connect with AI tools. I used to spend 30 to 45 minutes on AI tools, just like pretending like we are doing conversation like that.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. When after that I build my confidence, after building my confidence, then I feel, yeah, now you're ready to connect with someone. Now you're
Oh,
brushed
wow.
already brushed skills. Now you ready to connect with someone. Okay, I try to install many apps regarding English learning app. I mean to say, but it's not working for. It's not. It doesn't work for me. Okay, because sometimes I feel where co-learner is if they are not good, then how can I learn from them? Okay, so then I
Mm.
choose this thing. I try to connect with YouTubers, especially in a field of English speaking. I choose them, and after that I try to connect with then I speak sorry, then I make a call.
Okay, that is the process of learning, right? Gradually, we can step up. So, yeah, you did very well. And within 4 months, I can say the drastic change you have. You
Actually,
improved very rapidly.
start from scratch, I mean to say, because I'm already aware from English. Okay, but
Mm.
many times I try to start my journey, but somehow I quitted. Sometimes a personal
Okay.
issue, sometimes I feel like that I'm not improving like that I want. Okay, so I want to quit it because at that time I was not aware from the journey, how to start it, how to
Mhm.
start, I mean. Okay, so one day I came across a conversational video. Okay, then it was seems like so quite interesting for me. Then I followed
Okay.
to watch this kind of videos, and it helped me a lot. It helped me a lot. Still I'm using a conversational video for improving
Mhm.
my English. Okay, and when I watched that video, then I decided one day I will talk with them. Actually, I watched the video of Sunita ma'am. If you watch some their video, her videos, Sunita English Adventure, I think is a channel.
Yes, yes,
I
I know.
then I decided one day I will talk to them, and firstly I need to brush up my skills, then I talk to them, I will talk to them.
Okay.
So yes, so at that time I'm just doing continue this thing. And after some time I realized, after one month I realized, if you go with that, so maybe you can you disconnect your journey, maybe you quitted your journey. Then I started, then suddenly a thought come in my mind. I started my YouTube channel. Okay, after
Okay.
1 month I started my YouTube channel. And because that channel is help me to connect with this language, or they always remind me, you need to do something in today regarding English. So yeah, I make the solo video, sometimes I make shorts, and I upload on that channel. But
Okay.
nowadays I'm trying to connect with people, so yeah, I record the video session and upload these recorded session on my channel.
Okay, that's how it's going on. Only four session you have to connected, right?
Right.
Okay. I think it would be the help you to if you connect to the people using different application like a CV application as Fluency. It's also help us a lot to improve our communication skill. Do you use
Yeah, you are
them?
right.
Do you use?
No.
Okay. I do use initially I used to use as Fluency application. I did not find that interesting, but now I have shifted in a CB application. So there are lots of features. People also can go through and check them. Check this application. And there are lots of features are available. We can correct our grammatical errors. We can ask something for to with AI. So it's really helpful application I found. And if you are not aware, then you should go and check once how you will find it.
One install Shivi, and I also talk AI. and in that application I also used, but I never used other options, other other things I'm not using. But yeah, actually, I want to build my confidence. So
Hmm.
firstly, I need to remove my hesitation, overcome my hesitation. So that's why I think I need to connect with more and more peoples. When
That is
at a
true.
one time I overcome this issue, then I work on my mistakes.
Yeah, yeah, true. Definitely. It's a main thing why you have recently come, you have entered to have session on a video call. So must you are having little bit problem of hesitation or nervousness, how to present. But you are seems like a quite confident. There is a no doubt that you are lacking somewhere. But still, if you feel that you are lacking somewhere or you need to build your confidence, then you should encounter the people. Every anything, whatever fear we have, we should try to encounter this fear. Then only we can overcome, right? So,
First,
yeah.
but whatever sometimes I feel this is the big hurdle for me, then I will try to remove that hurdle first. Okay, after that I'm working on other things. So
Okay.
nowadays, my big hurdle is my confidence. I feeling I feeling nervous while I'm having conversation. I feeling nervous, hesitation sometimes. So yeah, I'm working on that issues.
It's happened slowly and gradually, right? Because it's the very long process that to overcome from fear, to overcome from agitation, or use all the new vocabs or idioms in our conversation. It takes little longer. So it's okay. It's a lengthy process. So we should always keep patient, while doing this kind of things. It's a learning process. Okay, so nowadays, where you are focusing apart from connecting with people, are you focusing any other side like reading as well, or listening, or writing, anything that you focus you like to do?
Actually, firstly, I never miss listening. Every day I'm used to listening. Okay, and nowadays I'm just working on how to reply the people. If someone asks a question, any question, how to go with it. So
Mhm.
I'm working on that thing. Actually, I'm already aware of my mistakes. Whenever I'm speaking, I know I'm doing mistakes, but sometimes it's quite difficult to control on them
Mhm.
because I'm not habitual of it. That's why. So I'm using that thing, and other thing I'm using. Sometimes I feel like I'm a speak in a hurry, so I need to just talk with calm. Okay, and other thing I'm a little bit using reading because it's not my cup of tea. So I'm trying just 4 minute 5 minute whatever I find times, then I go with reading
Okay.
little bit, not more.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Gradually it's happened. And what's your qualification background? It's Hindi or English? What's your
Actually,
medium? Yeah.
I passed my school from Hindi medium. Okay,
Okay.
but but when I came in college, then I chose intensely. I chose English medium because we are options. You want to uh, whatever you want, English and Hindi. It's up to you. Then at that time I chose English medium because at that time I feel it's beneficial for you. That's why.
Mm.
But
Yeah.
I'm not aware of how to speaking like that.
Yeah, okay. Literature, it's a different and speaking is the different, right? Now, I think you are good at literature part. You are able to understand everything, whatever it's written in any particular page. So it's a good plus point for you. It can help you to speaking part as well, right? You are lacking speaking part if you think so. Definitely, you should not go to read, books, or anything to improve or understand the things what is written exact. So you are able to understand all the things. You are focusing on the speaking, so it will be easier to you to improve yourself. It's quite faster manner. If I talk about our case, who studies in Hindi or any vernacular medium, for them, they have to focus each and every part, like a study, writing, spelling. and all the things, they have to focus equally. So this is the beneficial for you, that you should not focus each and every part equally. You can focus on your speaking part, that help you. But yeah, who studies in Hindi, for them it's quite a lengthy process will be this process, this speaking journey. Okay.
Yeah, you are.
So
At that
mm,
time, it's my personal decision. At that time, when I came in my college, then
mhm.
otherwise, I'm not any pressurized. You choose English medium. It's my decision at that time, because I'm fascinated by this language from school time, but I
Okay.
don't know how to speak, how to
Mhm.
start this journey.
Okay.
But
So once you have shifted in another language like Hindi to English, so which kind difficulties you had faced?
at the time it feel like a lot of difficulties. It directly impact on my report card, you can say, my
True,
mark
true.
sheet at that time,
Mm,
because at that time I'm used to cramming. I'm not just
mm,
understanding the things, I'm just used to cramming and
mm.
try to. And I learn with the help of writing. I write a
Okay.
lot so that things set in my mind. So yeah, in the 1 and 2 semester, my marks is not so good. I mean, not just like average. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After that, after 1 year, I easily understand the things. I started to understand the things. Then after that, my marks will be improved.
It's became on
Sorry.
track. Okay,
Yeah.
yes, yes, that's good. Because my brother also, he shifted from Assamese to English when he was in college. So he was also complaining about the all the things, how much I have to put extra effort to English, to understand the English language. And there is also 4 subject or 5 subject in college, right? So we have to focus equal subject, and with the full of dedication, full of focus we have to put on that side, because you are quite habitual to read or understand your chapters in your own vernacular medium, vernacular language. But once you shift in a English, so definitely it's kind of very difficult we have to face at the time. Yeah, it's will be quite new for us.
At that time, I use dictionary because I
Ah,
don't know actually vocabs. I'm not aware of them, so I used to dictionary always. Put my in my bag. I
yeah,
always.
yeah, true,
And
true.
at that time, I'm using writing. Whatever I
Mhm.
learn, I write them immediately. I write it so that things will be remind from remember.
Yes, yes. I understand how difficult it is, but I did not take this initiative to take, Assamese to English. I had a scare. No, I once I, cleared my 12th examination, that time I was thinking that I will not going to touch this English subject, because we used to take as a subject, not a language, right? So that time
Right.
I used to think I'm not going to touch this English subject ever. So now I'm loving this subject. I love to read this subject, and now I'm understanding the concept of this language. Now I'm not taking as a subject, I'm taking as a language. So I'm enjoying it. In same case, my brother also was telling me that how difficult is it to do all the things. And once I know, as I know that he used to write thousands and thousands meaning, word meaning, and he used to mug up this all the things, really literally he used to put extra effort. He used to give to this English language to understand around 2 to 3 hours every single day to understand purpose only. So it's
Yeah.
really quite difficult to switch Hindi to English.
So really, after that, he already understand everything slowly and
Mm.
gradually. It's take time, but after that, she he use like effortlessly.
True. It takes time. Everything can, to come on track, it definitely takes time. We have to keep patient and we have to be dedication toward it. Okay, so you don't have any kind of issue to understand to, reading, writing. You can able to understand or write each and everything. You can articulate your thoughts, right?
Easily understand. I'm writing, reading, whatever I want. But except speaking. So that's why
True,
I'm
true.
nowadays I'm working on my speaking only.
Yeah, it's quite understandable because until or unless we do not open our mouth to speak anything, any language, then it doesn't come, whether we are able to write or reading. So it doesn't matter, right? So okay,
Right, right.
that's great. So Deepika, now I have to wrap up because it's
Sure.
12:56 and I have to go to school. So sorry, I was enjoying a lot. I'm enjoying a lot talking to you. I wanted to go further, but
Same, I'm also enjoying a lot, and thank you for connecting with me.
it's mean a lot to me, and I'm feeling happy and thrilled that my lethargicness, my sluggishness, it's went out now.
Now you will sleep, without any dream.
Yes, yes, I can sleep now. After bring my son from school, then I can get little relaxed.
How
Okay,
much older?
Deepika. Sorry,
How much older your son?
he is around 4.5.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, so
Okay.
bye.
Okay, bye. Have a good day.